You know you can use a VR headset to sketch on the walls. In the past 7 months, I'm using the VR to sketch all my murals through the entire world. I have murals in more than 12 countries and I'm always using them to do my murals. And right now I made a course to teach you how to use it, how to adjust, how to import your designs, everything you need to know to paint your murals or also your canvas using a VR headset. So come with me that I'm gonna explain you everything that has in the course, what you want to learn, and why you should use a VR headset in your artistic process. Virtual reality is changing the way we design and paint murals. But why to choose VR instead of projector or traditional sketching methods? VR versus projector. With a projector, you are limited by distance, cables, light conditions, and flat surfaces. VR lets you design directly on the wall in real scale without needing darkness and perfect positioning. VR versus traditional, grid, and freehand. Traditional methods take time, requires constant measuring or sketching. And also it can distort a little bit proportions. In VR you see everything where it will be painted, saving time, energy, and also stress. Why it actually matters. VR help you see your mural in the real space before even touching the wall. You can adjust the proportions, placement, scale, and composition with precision, which is a game changer when working on big walls, irregular surfaces, limited time projects, or also curved walls. Yes, we can use it also in curved walls, and I teach you how. Another thing that I like a lot, you can see the final mural before you even start. So instead of guessing how your artwork will look in that space, the VR lets you preview the full mural on the actual wall in real scale. You can walk up close, step back, see how it fits with window, door, plants, or furniture before touching a single brush. That gives you clarity and confidence before painting. One thing that's so good, no more wrong proportion and misaligned drawings. When painting freehand or using grids, it's normally to get proportion slightly wrong and only notice when the mural is halfway done. With VR, the design is already perfect, placed and measured on the wall. So all you do is trace it. That means no more erasing, fixing, or wasting time repainting outlines. And one thing that I really like about it, it works in any surface, even complicated ones. So projector only works when the room is dark. I already used a lot of materials to hide when the windows didn't have like curtain and I had to put a lot of things to close them to not have light. Also just work if the wall is flat. This one works if the wall is curved, and you need to have enough distance to project the image. So you have halfway, you can't do it. A small room, also not. On top of that, if you are working in a house with few power outlets or construction or outside, you need to have like 30 meters cable, and it's not especially for me, since I travel a lot, it's not realistic to travel with 30 meters of extension line. With the VR, I don't need to worry about that. And VR really don't care about all those things. You can use it outdoor, even with full sunlight. This is especially important when you are a girl, as a muralist, because before we had to go in really dark places, in places that are not so safe at the night to use the projector. And right now you can do that in light. It's so much more safe for us. So it's a win for the girl muralists. And this situation is not just exhausting, but also unsafe, and we don't need to do it anymore. Also, I can use in really tight space where a projector would fit. A small corridor, everywhere, also a floor, a roof, and it's adapted to you, not the other way around. And it saves you so much time, especially when you are working with a deadline or when you are traveling as me. VR reduces so much the time spent on measuring, sketching, setting up the projectors, or correcting mistakes. When you are painting fast, like in hotel, residence, festival, or while traveling, every hour saved means less stress and more energy for creativity. Another thing is helps you to communicate better with clients. You can show the client exactly how the mural will look in their space, not just a Photoshop mock-up. I send them before, but when we are there in the wall, they can see it. They understand the design immediately. Even before we start to paint, they already know what the final result will look like. There's no uncertainty about the process because they already see it on the wall. And honestly, it's so fun. I love to watch my clients' reaction when I do this. There's always a mix of being impressed because of the art and also because of the mixed reality, and you also can do some content about it. I have some reacts of the clients on my social media, and this works so much. A good thing for the creators, the content creating becomes way more interesting. People love seeing technology mixed with art. This is the truth. So when you show the behind the scenes, the VR, the digital line, and the real wall, your content becomes more unique, more professional, more shareable, and you attract the clients and also followers. Just to give you an idea, I have a video that has 4 million views that I made talking about the VR. This course is made for 3 different types of people: the beginners, professional artists, and also people who have ever using a projector, a VR, or also never did a mural and is just starting now. So this means it's also for people that never heard about the VR before or never did a mural or a art before. With this course, you will be able to use your own artwork to sketch directly on the wall using a VR headset, but if you're not an artist, that's totally fine too. I will show you other options like how to use artwork and design that are available to use. For example, I have plenty of designs that I sell that you can use and upload in your VR and sketch on your wall. So even if you're not an artist, this course is also for you. By the final lesson, you will be able to use a VR headset to preview and place mural designs directly on any wall and real scale. Understand the complete VR workflow, from creating the design, importing to the VR, placing it on the wall, and tracing it. Work without needing a projector or grid system. Adjust scale, proportions, and placement inside the actual environment before painting. And of course, also record the VR content for social media, showing both the artistic process and the tech behind it, which help you to attract the client or also followers. In this way, you will feel more confident and independent when starting a mural in any city, any wall, in any condition. If you're interested in this course, the link is on the description, and I hope to see you there to learn how to do that. So I hope to see you in the course. Until the next video.